Hey guys, I'm Peterson, software developer. Here's a full review of Monstah Viral Studio. I will be using my own voice and not AI. Being transparent while helping others is very important when bringing value. Monstah Viral Studio generates video thumbnails, video descriptions, hashtags, video tags, and also do thumbnail audits. The audit works by uploading your own thumbnail and giving it a video title and name right here. And it's going to do that by searching the top 8 videos. Let me just show you guys. So we're going to create new. If you want to generate 4 thumbnails at a time, guys. I want to just show you guys how this thing really works. First, you have to sign in. We have different packages, 12, 29, and 59, but that's not important right now. So I'm going to sign in. I'm going to select one of my email. Now I'm on the Pro plan. We have 3 tiers, but I'm going to get into that a little later, okay? So now what you do, if you want to generate videos, you can put your niche. So let's just say like 5 ways to make money online, right? It could be how to train your dog. It could be whatever you want to. Say in 2025, let's just
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things and they...
So here we go, guys. So it generated 4 YouTube thumbnail cover. You have the emotion, action, contrast. Guess he was spawned out as rich. So this is what nobody else is doing. And by the way, this is running with Gemini 3 Pro, the latest model out there right now, which is destroying the market. And I'm also using the YouTube API, so it goes and search for the latest videos with a lot of subscribers and millions of views. So everything is up to the minute, up to date, not outdated stuff. Anyway, so let's just choose this one because it looks pretty cool. All right, so here we go. So this is your YouTube cover. And the most important thing, guys, it is SEO friendly. Like I said, use the YouTube API to search for the top videos. I'm going to show you guys what that does. So what it does, it structure your video, and it structure your video in a way that YouTube is looking for right now. All right. There are systems in place that YouTube will look for in order for you to go viral. All right. So here, I'm just going to read it real quick. I'm not going to explain the whole thing, but it's just to give you all, an in-depth look is what's going on. Ready to crush in 2025? Forget the old hustle. We're diving into the future of making money online. These are 5 proven strategies that are exploding right now and will continue to dominate in the coming year. So what it does for you, it's telling you how to start your video. All right. So it's giving you an intro, and it's telling you exactly what they're looking for, like the first 30 seconds. So by you knowing that, you can go out there, do some research on some content if you're not really experienced in that certain niche, and then you talk about it. Okay. And then method 2, the rise of a niche, e-commerce. You can go research e-commerce, talk about it. Like I said, the most important thing is everything is in order, and this is how your video will go viral. All right. So you can check it out. I'm not going to read the whole thing. And what it does, it generates hashtags. So you don't, and this is, those hashtags are like ranking right now, and also tags. But the most important thing, and why I love it and why I put so much time and effort and why I'm so passionate about it, that I didn't use any AI voiceover. I use my own voice. All the competitors that it pulls information from, they are listed right there. So this one has 21.7 million views. All right, so I'm just letting you guys know. 19.60 subs, all of this. So it pulls information from top site, so you have no other choice but to go viral. All right, another thing that you can do, if you like your thumbnail and you like everything, you can actually save your project so that you can come back to it in the future. All right, your project is saved, and then you go to My Projects, and then it's gonna be right there, so that the next time, if you want to do some more work, you can go in there, you can click on it, and your project is right there for you. So I'm going to take you guys to the sales page real quick, and then we're going to come back. So we are now on the sales page, and small YouTubers don't lose to the algorithm. They lose because nobody clicks. Monstah help creators test high CTR thumbnails and generate ranking optimized description ideas in under 30 seconds without guessing. You can also start testing thumbnails for free. Here we have a feature by feature comparison. Creators are switching to Monstah from vidIQ because they weren't built for small creators. Also, guys, early pricing for small creators, this won't stay this low forever. So take action. So I'm comparing this to vidIQ. So we have AI-powered thumbnail generation. We have 4 stars like I just shown you guys. Whereas vidIQ, $39 a month. They actually have outdated thumbnail quality. You guys can go on YouTube and do research and see for yourself, okay? They have SEO description, yes, but not through the thumbnails. You have to do that separately, okay? Competitor intelligence. You have the top 5 video analyzed. Actually, it's the top 8, not 5. Hashtag generator. You're gonna get 15 to 30 hashtags, whereas vidIQ, under vidIQ Pro, there's not much that you get. Backend optimization, they're okay with that. Thumbnail audit tool, it's unlimited. There's no audit, but remember, you're paying $39 for this. Basic audit, you pay $79. Advanced audit, you pay $415. Just look at the difference. Look at the comparison. Project management, unlimited saves. You have 50 saved with $39 a month. You have unlimited, which is good because if you pay that price, you should have unlimited. Whereas my software is a fraction of the price, guys. All right. My AI model, which is Gemini 3 Pro, and I'm $29, $39, and they still use ChatGPT 3.5, which is very old and give you random response most of the time. At $79, they still use GPT 3.5. They only use GPT-4 at $415 monthly. Pay attention to this. My generation speed is 30 seconds. It all depends on your connection speed. So, but it's still a lot faster than vidIQ. If you get the Pro version, nothing there for them inside. You guys can go and do your own research. Okay, and fun facts. Even vidIQ cheapest plan of $39 costs more than Monstah. But we have AI thumbnail generation powered by, once again, Gemini 3 Pro, which they don't offer at any price, guys. All right. You can read the sales pitch for yourself. I'm not going to go too in depth, but I just want to point out the most important thing in the software, why you guys should really make that change and get it. SEO optimized description, meaning that, like I said, it's going to go to the top 8 videos in any niche. It's going to research them and generate your video description based on the information it collected. The AI thumbnails, I mean, yeah, as you guys can see, you saw what it does. And it's real-time data, which vidIQ doesn't have this at any price. Now we have some issues that I really want to point out, which is, like I said, about transparency. As you guys know, So for those of you guys who don't know, Google's Gemini AI is limited to certain countries because, like I said, it's top notch. Okay, but if you live in one of these countries, United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Germany, France, Italy, Spain, most European countries, including Australia and New Zealand, then you really don't need a VPN. But if you live in other regions, you might need a VPN, because if you don't, then when you hit the thumbnail generation, you will get random images and it's not going to be specific to your niche. But if you want a niche specific thumbnails, then you definitely have to get a VPN if you do not live in one of those countries. Because I'm not affiliated with any of these VPN companies, but these are the VPNs that I tried before and they work very good. Personally, I use ExpressVPN. I've tried NordVPN. I've tried Proton, but it's up to you guys. Then we're going to go pricing wise, which I showed you guys at the page, before, if I scrolled up. So now for $29, you guys get unlimited AI thumbnails. Okay. And vidIQ, it's generated AI thumbnails, outdated AI thumbnails quality. Because if you go to vidIQ and try to generate the thumbnails, number one, you have to actually know how to do prompt engineering. Otherwise, you get some weird stuff. You guys can go on YouTube. Don't take my word for it. Go to YouTube, watch a video of anybody trying to generate a thumbnail using vidIQ, and it's a problem. All right, but with this, as you saw what it did, okay, you can choose what you want, your emotions, whatever style that fits your need or suits your need, you can actually generate thumbnails like I showed you guys. Now you have the YouTube API intelligence, which they do not have it at all. Okay. Real-time SEO optimization. They have basic. This is advanced. This is okay, but like this is real time. It's not generic. It's real time, and we are powered by Gemini 3 Pro, which they are not. Who this is not for? Let me reiterate who this is not for. Monstah Viral Studio is not for you if you don't care about clicks or growth. You upload once every few months. You want a magic button without learning anything. Now, who is this for? It's for you if you want to stop guessing thumbnails. If you stuck under 1K to 50K subs and you want real data, not vibes. Have a look at the ROI calculator and compare the different prices. Go through the sales page and you can check it out. And what are we very, very excited about? I'm going to break it down for you guys. Very simple. I spoke about it already, but I wanted to register. You enter your niche. There's 4 things you got to do. We query YouTube API. You find 8 top videos with a lot of subscribers, a lot of views. Recent, and it analyzes pattern by the use of Gemini 3 and processes data. Then the results you get a fresh SEO description ideas and a multiple thumbnail, all in under 30 seconds. Then again, it all depends on your connection speed, because I've done it in less. If you have a good connection speed, then you can do it even a lot quicker than 30 seconds. But anything under a minute is a win for me. I don't know about you guys. And what creators are saying, you can go check it out yourself. You have some social proof here. You can check it out yourself. And so what we're going to do, we're going to go back to the software. And like we generated this, it's saved in the project that you guys can have access to it later on. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to, for instance, I'm going to, I can save this image, because what I want to do, I want to bring it back. As a matter of fact, I'm not going to save it. As a matter of fact, I'm just going to pull a random image, because I want to do some video, some thumbnail auditing right here with this section. So what you do, I can put, my daughter love a roadblock. I can do, let's see, roadblocks. Let's say it's Christmas season, right? Christmas, CHRIST. Update, right? In 2025. We're still in 2025, guys. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just select. I think we have some thumbnails there. Let's just pick this one. And we're going to pull it in. And boom, just like that. So what you can do, you can actually generate an SEO detailed description just by uploading a thumbnail. Who else does that? I'll tell you who. No one. And boom, here it is, guys. Up to the minute, up to date description. It is wild. It is wild. So if you're making a video, you no more making trying to guess to know what am I going to say? Where am I going to put what? No. Everything is detailed so that you can go do your research so that when you make a video, it will go viral, because this is what YouTube, this is what they're looking for in 25 and in 2026. So there's no reason why you guys shouldn't go viral on YouTube. Those days are done. vidIQ is not doing this, guys. vidIQ is spitting out generic stuff. vidIQ is not doing this. All right. Once again, you have your hashtags, so you don't have to pay an extra amount of money to get hashtags for your video. You have your backend tags. And once again, you have your competitor intelligence top 8 videos. So it shows you where they are getting the information from. Live, guys, up to the minute. Okay. So guys, for now, that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm going to save this as we speak. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and there's lots more to come. Please go check it out. Try it. Every YouTuber should definitely have this. And these are the upgrades I didn't show you guys. So we have the creator. You get 25 AI generations a month, 50 thumbnails audit. It's basic analyst, community support, and YouTube API intelligence. The pro version, which is the most popular one. You also have yearly. If you want to go yearly, you can do that as well. But you have 100 AI generations monthly, unlimited thumbnails, advanced analytics, priority support, real-time SEO optimization. You actually have real-time SEO optimization in the creator as well, in case you guys are wondering. Once again, powered by Gemini 3 Pro. They all are powered by Gemini 3 Pro, because this is what I'm using for all my stuff. Top 8 video analysts, competitor intelligence. And this one, if you really want to go crazy, then you can go. If you want a white label and all that stuff, it's okay. But most people are hitting the $29 a month because you have everything that you need. So, but like I said, if you're a huge agency and stuff with 5 team members or more, then my advice to you is purchase the agency. So before I close, I want to talk about subscriptions option. I'm gonna sign in again to show you guys, because you guys are not stuck to any plan. You can actually, if you don't want to use the program anymore, I made it very easy. You can hit that manage subscription button right there, and you can unsubscribe. You can cancel subscription if you want. It's up to you. All right, guys. So I hope you guys like the video. This is my review of the Monstah YouTube Thumbnail Viral Studio. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.